Hi there! Do you want to add a background music to your video to better convey your theme and emotion? Or add your voiceover to an educational video to make it more professional? Now, we'll show you how to add and enhance audio in your video. To get started, you might want to install Filmora, an easy-to-use and powerful video editor. If you haven't got it yet, click the link in the description box below and visit filmora.wondershare.com and click Try it free. Then, in the Start interface, select Full Feature Mode. Add audio to your video. First things first, select Import and choose your video and songs, or simply drag your media files to the media library. Then simply drag the video and music to the video track and audio track respectively. But notice that the sound in your video footage is still kept. If you'd like to remove the original sound, just right-click on the video clip and choose Detach. And now you can select the separated audio and delete it. Usually, it takes a lot of time to search and determine the music that best match your audio. But don't you worry no more, because in Filmora, there are numerous royalty-free songs for you to use, and they're categorized into different genres and mood. You can select and press space button to preview and simply drag to apply. Add voiceover to your video. Other than adding songs, you can also add your voiceover easily in Filmora to make your tutorial video or gameplay video more interesting. Simply click Record above the media library and choose Record Voiceover in the drop-down menu. In this pop-up panel, you can press the red button to start recording. When you finish, the voiceover will be saved to your media library as well as another audio track on your timeline. If you need additional voiceover or sound effect, click the plus button and add another audio track. Filmora supports up to 3 audio tracks. Edit and enhance your audio. If you double-click on any audio file on the timeline, you'll be presented with a list of powerful tools to enhance the audio. You can customize volume, speed, pitch, or fade in and fade out effect by simply dragging the slide bar. Save your settings to apply. What's more, you can also click Audio Mixer to add just the volume on each audio track to create a harmonious sound effect. Export the video. All set? Click the Export button and select your desired file format, or you can choose your mobile device and Filmora will automatically determine the best export settings. Moreover, you can upload your video to YouTube or burn DVD to play at home. Hope this video helps you understand how to add and enhance audio in your video. Go ahead and visit filmora.wondershare.com and start your free trial now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.